combo. My mom got the love roll. And I'm gonna be eating raw salmon for the first time.
That's your first time. That's your second time.
Well, I ate like a few pieces of that.
This is what I got. And Daddy got this. Wow, he's on diet. Look at that food.
Makan.
Wait lang. Wow,
Makan.
what is that?
Makan.
Why you so wara? Okay.
Let's eat.
Naka.
Yummy. It's right here. As lambot na luto ata. Is that cooked? Wow, how many pieces?
Only 4.
Wow, there's a bone. Usually they don't give with a bone.
Yeah, they have bone.
No, remember when we ate last time here? There's no bone. You like it?
Yummy, yummy, yummy.
How do I make the thing front? How do you put my video in the front?
Kumba.
We want to see the movie today. Is that spicy?
Very.
Wow. Look at it. Wow.
Eat it, subo. Diba? Oh.
We should try the sushi. You want potato? Huh? No? You're eating that much, but you just drop the thing there. Do you want soy sauce? No?